Okay, so this is ANCEL battery tester 12-volt battery for car batteries. This model is BA101, and this unit was sent to me for the purposes of this review free of charge. Thank you. And we're gonna take a look at it, and then we're gonna go outside and test my car battery. Even though I know my car battery may not be brand new, it's been years. But this is actually a really good piece to have around to make sure you can check what's going on. And this, I'm assuming, is for some kind of data, and probably to print your data or download data if you want to, so you can check back on what your battery tests were throughout the time. And here's a nice user's manual for this device, and here's the device itself. That's the USB port here on the side. It's a mini USB type. And here you have the control buttons up and down, enter and exit. It looks almost like an OBD2. And on the back, you have just the label warning and nothing else except for the two probes, positive and negative, that go to your battery. And these are actually quite good quality, the probes, I gotta say. They're really good and really tight. I like that. I'm not gonna put it in my finger. Wait, let me see. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Don't put it in your finger. So we're gonna have to check my battery if it makes even the slightest of sense to actually test it. Probably will tell me replace it or something. So it's been, I don't know how many years now. I haven't changed that battery, but it should be pretty okay, I guess, except the new cars have that start and stop, the auto eco stuff that I'm not a fan of at all, zero. And I'm assuming that might have something to do with weakening my battery. It happens, but that is left to be seen. And we'll go to the car and do a few tests with this tiny little thing here, which I might most likely keep it on the car because I have an OBD2 already that I keep on the car the whole time, together with a tire inflator, car jack, and all that good stuff. This will take place out there too. So let's go do that. So this is where my battery is, and this car just undo these clasps here, but that's kind of unnecessary because your car might be completely different. And the battery is somewhere down here. Made in Germany. It's a die-hard gold, and this is 800 cold cranking amps and 140 reserved capacity. And we'll connect it. On this car you don't need to actually touch the poles at all because you have the ground right here and you have the positive right here. So that's where we're gonna connect and see what we have with this nice tool. And let's hope I get good news from it. Just always make sure you have the correct polarity in anything you do. I'm gonna go with the positive right here and the negative right here where it belongs. And as you see, it actually turned on right away. We'll zoom you in a little bit better so you can actually see what's happening here. Battery in vehicle. Yeah, that's what we need right now. Battery test. We'll enter, check surface charge, turn lights on, take headlights on, shut about 10 seconds, and then turn the lights off. Okay, I'm gonna turn the lights on really quick. Okay, so now the lights are on, as you see right there, and we'll go outside and check. The lights are on, and we'll wait 10 seconds as it's suggested to keep the lights on. This is the blower here, by the way. It looks like it's working good, so. Okay. It should be at around 10 seconds at this point. And I'm gonna go turn them off again. Okay. And I'm gonna turn the lights off now. And turn the whole car off. Okay, that is done. Regular flooded. AGM flat plate, AGM spiral, EFB. We'll go regular flooded. CCA. Enter. Okay, let me just go to 800 sharp. 800 sharp. Hit enter. And now it's testing our battery to see if we still have those 800. And nope, I know we don't have. We have 647 crank amps, 65%, charge 6%. I know that, 12.04. We're almost at the point that most people would actually change this battery. And the resistance, 4.5 milliohms. That's not bad. And good recharge. Now, when you start the car and drive a little bit, because some electronics will take down a few things, these numbers might change. And battery in vehicle always. We create cranking test. Click enter. And I'm gonna go start engine really quick. Boom. It's turned on. And as you see, time 600 milliseconds. Cranking normal, it says. And the voltage 9.69 at cranking. So that's not bad. It will work for quite a while now. Let me go turn it off again. And you can go to waveform and check the battery. For example, if you turn lights on and off and see if anything is draining any voltage in your car. Let me just click the button to lock and unlock, and you'll see that change really quick. For example, here is it will touch it. Not sure if you saw that dip right there. Again, if I lock it, see, because it has the horn and everything else. Click to unlock it again. Unlocked again. As you see the dips right away in real time. If you turn the lights on, the dip will be even higher, because that's the voltage going up and down. 12.15 we have right now. We are good. And you can review data right here, that what you just already discovered. Health is 65% and all that stuff. And of course it says recharge. And you can print data if you're in a computer, and it will download that file. Connect the cable here on the side, the USB, and that's it. And you should be really good to go. And you can check battery out of vehicle. If you took the battery out and you want to check it by itself, you can do that too. And the rest is just battery in vehicle that I told you. I think we went through all. Charging test. We have to start the car and see if our battery is actually charging. Here, charging. Okay, and right now 12.2 volts, 1 millivolt. Ripple test, load testing. Okay, I'm gonna go turn on the car and increase RPM to keep to 2,500 to 30,000 RPMs. Okay, we're in here. Car is on, and it said to put the RPMs up to between 2,500 and 3,000 for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be more than enough now. And let's go to the meter real quick. And now we hit enter here. And now it should start testing. Okay, loaded 12.2 volts, unloaded 14.9 volts, ripple 1 millisecond, and voltage is normal. That means the battery charges every time the car is on and going. Now, let me get out of here and let me show you the waveform while the car is on. Look at that, the voltage now is on top. You see, just like I told you, this, there's things going on, and it looks really cool actually. So now it goes up to 15 volts sometimes because it is charging. That's how you know it's actually charging it. And yeah, so besides that, actually there's not much more to talk about it, except it's a really good tool that I'm gonna keep in my car for the whole time. Oh yeah, this puppy here is coming with me, because it's really a cool device. And thank you guys for sending this over. I absolutely appreciate it. You can change, by the way, in case I forgot, you can change the language, contrast, and you get the tool information with the software and all that stuff that you might need. And we'll see you next time. Please hit that like and subscribe, and don't be shy about it. Link will be in the description. It will be a link between me and Amazon, so at no extra cost to you. And yeah, I'll keep this battery for a while. It's not that bad. Come on. it starts the car for maybe another year or two. Use its original. We'll see you next time. Bye.